This video is dedicated to existing SlideMoor customers who may need to service their system. The SlideMoor Docking System is an excellent way to secure your vessel tightly to the dock on one side only. But as a SlideMoor owner, you already know that. But one thing you may not know is that even though your SlideMoor system is very low maintenance, it still has a few wear items that over time may need to be replaced. Let's start with the obvious, your slide's black rubber bumpers. Theoretically, your bumpers should last a very long time. However, if the vessel's rub rail is not kept pressed tightly to the SlideMoor bumpers, or if the vessel occasionally bangs into the bumpers when approaching the dock, the rubber bumpers can become rough or even crack or split. Fortunately, those bumpers can easily and cost-effectively be replaced. Replacement bumpers come complete with new stainless steel screws that can simply be installed with a 5/16 inch nut driver. Less obvious is the condition of the white Carillon linear bearings that are located inside of each of your slides. These can be seen by looking at the top edge of the slides between the aluminum slide bodies and the aluminum tracks. These white linear bearings protect the tracks from excessive wear and allow the slides to move effortlessly up and down with the water level. But that constant movement will eventually cause those white bearings to wear thin. And when that happens, it's time for new bearings. Failure to replace them can cause catastrophic damage to the tracks and the slide bodies. Once the aluminum slide body starts to rub directly against the aluminum track, both the slides and the tracks will need to be replaced. That's like buying a whole new system. To avoid any costly repairs or replacements, simply inspect those white bearings on a regular basis. Replacement bearings are inexpensive and fairly easy to install. They too come complete with new stainless steel screws and can be simply installed with a 5/16 inch nut driver. Think of these two SlideMoor wear items like the tires on your car. When your tires become worn, they need to be replaced. Failure to do so would eventually result in major damage to your wheels and possibly your vehicle. For further information regarding these wear items or for pricing, please contact SlideMoor at 239-263-7044 or sales@slidemoor.com. As always, your friends at SlideMoor stand by, ready to help.